Hi, this is the set for Careless Talk, which is our Key Stage 2 programme about British values, and it encourages the children to develop their critical thinking skills in challenging the information they're receiving to see whether it's factual or not.
So I play a character called Scarlett, who is a younger member of the group called the Circle, which is being persecuted. So I go on a journey with the children to find peaceful and positive outcomes to situations that Scarlett lands herself in.
What was really great about the session is the theme of it, and like with some of your other performances, the themes are really, really deep, and although at the time, maybe as they're watching, the children aren't totally aware of that, it's taught in such a child-friendly, sensitive way that they almost become aware as it goes on, and then through the discussions we have later, and just as they go on and grow up and see things happening around the world that link to what they've just seen today. Yeah, really deep, but in a, like I say, a really child-friendly way. So mainly a session like this one links so directly to our PSHE lessons, and we have these weekly, and I think just the children seeing a show like that, it's something that just stays in their mind so vividly that it's a weekly thing then, every single PSHE lesson. Every time there's an incident on the playground, you can use what they've just seen in Language Alive to really get them thinking about consequences of their behaviour. And I think even with things like short burst writing illiteracy, what they've seen, and maybe writing newspapers based on the performance, it can just be brought into so many of our subjects across the curriculum. Definitely, and I think throughout the performance, their views and their opinions of the characters completely changed. You really saw that critical thinking going on. At the start, they had a favourite character they were totally on board with and willing to go along with that character. But towards the end, when they could see things were going wrong, they were aware of it and they turned against that character and made that character realise their mistakes. And you could see them thinking all the way through, and you watched their opinions change.
And that one boy was particularly emotionally engaged, wasn't he?
Yeah, there was one little boy in the classroom that actually felt so connected to one of the characters when he knew that character was about to make a huge mistake and was going to end up in such serious trouble. He actually became quite emotional about it and was wiping his tears because he knew that there was a huge consequence for that behaviour coming.